The 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power liftgate, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 4-wheel drive. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.